Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Okay, I can't just like put it down. But it's wet. Okay, it's not okay. So it had just rained. So and we're trying to do this really quick. So we have poured the glue. We have poured the glue in the. We have poured the glue in the cup. I don't want to show to you like without spilling it. And now we don't have full coloring. So do you have like a marker? Go get the orange marker.
No.
Yes, it's just right there. Open the door. You see? Right there. Okay.
You have something. You need something.
We can put this in at the end.
Yeah.
Pretty
So
sure.
you put that in at the end. You're just going to like keep on dotting it on there and just stretch it out.
Because we don't have scissors. Do we have scissors?
No.
Okay, so we don't have scissors to take this part out. So.
Yep.
So next, what we're going to do, we put the borax. Oh, it's so warm.
Yep.
So we put the borax in this thing because...
Yep. Because we couldn't find the other cup.
We need something to stir with. Get something.
Get something. Stick. Here, go inside and get a plate. No, it's like...
Okay, so we're going to stir with this...
stick or fork.
It's like a broken fork. So, yeah. And the slime's going to be white for right now. Oh, ew, it has little fuzzy thingies in it. So it's not ready yet because as you can see, it's like not even clumped together.
Because you didn't put that much.
Put some more. Don't put a lot though.
A lot helps.
So, don't put a lot.
Yeah, but it helps.
Because,
but
no.
But
a lot does
like,
not help. Because a lot makes it
and
like
this
hard.
is also one of the smelly ones.
What are you talking
that
about?
smell good. It's the orange scent
You
one.
need to put more.
It smells like orange.
But just add it slowly. You don't want to add it too fast.
Yeah, don't be like...
Don't be like...
Yeah. Just do it like
do it
slowly. Like,
so add some more. Add some more.
So,
because it's not like
this is
clumped
what
together.
you should do. Just do it like that. And
Oh god, that's a lot.
yeah.
She accidentally put too much, right? Accidentally. Right?
Yes.
We're hoping it's accidentally.
Yep.
So we only have like a few more minutes to do this video because first of all, it's freezing cold out here.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's not freezing, but first of all, my butt is cold. Okay. So we'll get back to you guys whenever the slime is actually like, kind of hard. Nope, we're staying with you guys. So, hi, car. Now we're just making slime in front of our house.
We're making slime, and the slime, you could get this at your local
Dentist.
Walmart.
She got it from...
No,
that's why I said dentist in my last video. Yeah, she got... She lied.
No, I
need
got
to add a little more.
Your local
Dentist.
Walmart.
Dentist.
No.
Dentist.
Get it from
Actually,
your local
Walmart would be
Walmart.
out of glue, so put some more of the borax.
Okay, here, how about I mix this?
I want to make it. You get to make with your hands. Okay. You're going to be able to mix it with your hands. Yeah.
This
Dude.
is tiny.
Good job. So that method, you can do that method too. Ooh, it's starting to come together. Well, it's been starting to come together, but like...
It's starting to come together. Okay, so
yeah.
all my plants are dying. Okay.
Your parents, your plants.
My plants dying. Guys, look.
You have to
My
take the
plants
camera
are dying.
to them. Ugh, it looks ugly.
Because they're dying. We're
Fine, so
gonna
do you
turn our
put
lights
a
on.
little bit more, just a little bit. Do the spoon. Oh! You got on my hand. Okay.
Here, just give me that.
Do the straw thing.
Hurry.
So after this one, you get to mix it with your hands, and then I'll just keep adding.
No!
the borax.
No!
Yes.
You guys have to have... You can have clean or dirty hands before you do this video.
No,
because
you
your
would
hands are
rather
gonna get dirty.
you
But
would
make sure
rather
they're
clean.
cold. Make sure they're cold. That's why we're outside. Because if they're like
No,
hot,
what
if
are you?
You're sweaty. If your hands are, if
Oh yeah, if
it's
your house
like,
is hot, it's gonna be sticky.
yeah, like really
Here, now
sticky
do it
on
to
you.
your hands and out.
Whiff it. Yeah. Start.
So take it out with
wait,
your hands.
Doing
And then
more borax.
No, put it in your hands,
No.
and if it's sticky, then I'll put some borax in your hands. There's a doggy! Look, guys. Please zoom in. I can't zoom in. There's a black doggy. Okay, so put some borax. Put it in with your hands.
Okay.
Go in with your hands.
Put
So
more
right now
borax in.
she's going
Here, I
in
need
with her
to
hands. Oh,
the-
God. So right now she's going in with her hands.
Oh, that's not. It's
Take
like
it out
this.
and start kneading it with your hands. You know what kneading is? See, guys, it's starting to come together. And if it's too sticky for her, then we'll just
Yes, it is though. Like,
keep mixing just a little more. Because it might not be. See, it's starting to come off.
just
Put it right there.
where?
Back of your hand.
Wait, here. Borax.
Back of your hand. Get it off the back of your hand. Like, stab it, like.
Because I just don't like
Get it off from the back of your hands.
Oh. How though? I'm cleaning this hand first. Oh, dang. Oh, I can't. Here, just put more
Okay,
borax.
I'm going to put it in the other hand.
Oh, that's better. It's way better.
How's it way better? She can't even feel it. So, right now, we are at 6 minutes. We need to hurry this video up.
Oh my goodness. Why
So
did you make
basically,
me do
how you
this?
make slime is like, you get borax and hot water and you put it together so the borax can melt.
No, it doesn't have to be hot water.
Well, I mean, it doesn't, but you would want hot water. And then you take some glue and then you put the hot water and borax in the glue.
And you do not do that.
Yes, you do.
No, you do not. You don't
Yes,
play
you
with
do.
it.
Yes, you do.
Well, yeah, you play with it, obviously.
Oh my god, I'm gonna make this slime freaking hard because
Hey, please. Please make it hard. You got it in my mouth.
there's a string.
Okay, just you're.
Why'd you put a hair in it? Okay, so our slime right now is not turning out good because she doesn't want to put her hands in it.
Okay,
So-
now I probably can. Let me see it.
No.
No, let me, like, I really need to, like, there's, like, some slime on it.
No.
It's my slime.
It's my video.
I could take the video off.
Fine, then I won't let you use my account now. To be honest, you've probably been using it and I don't.
No. I forgot I even had your account.
The slime's really good now. Let's put it with my hands. Since she doesn't want to. Her hands.
And now you're like, no, you're not.
Let's do it.
Yeah, because you made it better and you put more borax in it. And then when I wanted borax, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Guys,
No.
we're gonna go watch this video and I put borax.
Wait, guys. Please, like, guys, I have to leave and wash my hands.
Just stick it with this. Stick it with this. Stick it with this and it'll come off. Hold on.
My hands are freezing cold, though.
I know because it's cold outside. That's a good thing though, so that means the slime won't stick to you and stuff. Okay, so here's the slime right now. It's like, okay, give me your hand. This is what you gotta do to make it not sticky. Okay, why did you do that? Oh, my hands are freezing cold.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, the slime's getting good
The slime is cold.
and better. So, guys,
So,
I'm going to take this
she
cup
has to
and
get
some
some
soap
lotion.
in it.
No, oh, I thought the soap was on the other video.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, if you haven't checked out our other video, then
It's
go
called
check it
How
out.
to Make Slime.
Yeah, or you can
This-
just go on my channel and then just scroll down and yeah.
It's going to be How to Make Slime, obviously. And I was funny in that video.
No, she was using a bathtub to make slime. But
I was using like one of those doll bathtubs. But yeah, so I'm just gonna
here is
fill
our
this with soap.
we're not gonna put soap in this one.
Okay.
So here is our video on goof white not being racist. But here's our video on like just slime in the cold. This is what it's gonna be called. how to make slime in the cold. No, it should be called what to do. I'm just kidding. No, it should be called we made slime in the cold. We made slime in the cold. Hi, Daddy! That was my dad. It should be called we made slime in the cold. Ooh, slime swirl. I'm just kidding, that was a suitcase. So, we're gonna end this video, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye!